is pwede siya sa mga teenagers, pregnant women, and then yung mga lactating women. Feedback ko is it leaves a glossy or a rosy effect.
Ano ba yung glass skin?
Yun nga, so from its name, which it suggests na glass nga, parang poreless or flawless yung skin mo.
I see. Nano ba, buong kabalin? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. Ngayong vlog na to, kasama na naman natin si Ezra for another beauty vlog. So, say hello muna sa mga followers mo, sa milyon-milyong followers mo.
Hello po, Wear in Pampanga viewers.
Yes, so there you go guys. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Tomato for sending us their products. Kapag ganito yung mga businesses na pinopromote natin, I needed, someone to help me understand better. As a matter of fact, syempre, from you, yung mga nakakagamit na to, natututo din ako. From your initial experience perspective, ano yung mga products natin for today?
Actually, tinignan ko na yung mga products kanina. Meron tayong 4 type or 4 set of beauty products. So, meron tayong first yung whitening, glass skin, then second yung whitening lotion, yung bleaching, and then itong bagong hygiene bar or hygiene.
I see. So, educate me as well as the viewers kung ano yung mga products natin dito.
So, this set is formulated with active ingredients like tomato, aloe vera, cucumber, carrot, and lastly, yung alpha-arbutin. It says here, it treats oily skin, it removes blemishes, and it whitens and lightens yung mga dark spots.
First time din namin kumbaga stambalapan yung mga products na to, and later on we're gonna have her test sa bahay, and then we're gonna come back here after a few days to give her experience kung ano yung mga kumbaga naranasan niya sa mga products natin.
Okay, so for the second set, yung glass skin natin, so as its name resembles.
So from the name itself, it says glass skin set. So meron pala tayong 4 na item included dito sa set na to. So we have this soap, we have sunscreen, this one is a serum, and then lastly, meron tayong exfoliating toner. Ezra, what does it mean to have a glass skin? Ano ba yung glass skin?
Yun nga, so from its name, which it suggests na glass nga, parang poreless or flawless yung skin mo.
I see. Naririnig ko yung glass skin normally sa mga K-pop. Tama ba? So, dun na uso yun.
Oo, craze siya sa K-beauty Korean.
Alright. So, lastly, this is their
Whitening lotion.
whitening lotion. Okay.
Yun yung ating bleaching mask.
So, this is a face and body mask. Bleaching mask, actually.
Bleaching mask.
We also
it
have
helps or lightens our skin and it reduces dark spots as well.
sabi rin niya dito, it hydrates the skin. Alright. So, this one naman is their whitening cream. So, siguro, of course, the terms are generic, no? Based from your experience, may mga positive and negative ka ba na experience sa mga ibang brands? Like, for example, did you have any problems with other brands, mga ganyan?
Yeah, kasi yung parang skincare is trial and error. Hindi naman lahat
Okay.
iyang sa mga products na ginagamit
Exactly.
nila.
I mean, because an individual is unique with the other individual. Although, may kanya-kanya tayong ethnicity, ganun pala yun. Meron din tayong hiyang sa mga products. From the name itself, again, this is a Femme Hygiene Bar. So, it's a feminine wash. Alright, so this is our first part, guys. We're gonna have Ezra take all of this home. We're gonna ask her to use it. And we're gonna come back, no? Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga experience niya from the Tomato Beauty products. Alright, so we're gonna come back. We are back, guys, after 7 days na pinatry natin kay Ezra yung mga products natin. We are back here dito sa vlogging room natin, and we would like to ask her, no, based dun sa paggamit niya dun sa 7 araw, ano yung mga naging paborito mo?
So, yung ginamit ko last week is yung glass skin. Yung feedback ko is it leaves a glossy or a rosy effect sa face ko.
Immediate parang rosy effect, okay?
It's good to know na it's 100% natural ingredients. So, natural ingredients yung mga ginamit nila doon, and completely wala silang amoy. So, no odor or no smell.
Really? Which is that beneficial? Is that good? Really?
Of course. Syempre, lalo na sa face natin, malapit siya sa nose. So, ayun. Talaga.
Yeah, I mean, real talk, di ba? Ganun yung mga ibang products.
So, yung fun fact dito is pwede siya sa mga teenagers. Yan, sa mga teenagers, pregnant women, and then yung mga lactating women.
I see. So, since it's a natural ingredient product, so hindi siya harmful dun sa mga, for example, mga sensitive skin for the teenagers or even mga sensitive health for pregnant.
So, pwede siya on all skin types.
I see. Kasi nakita ko yung price list niya. What can you say about the price list?
The price is very affordable, no? Sa isang set, you will have 4 products, which costs 350 pesos lang.
I see.
Very, very affordable.
So, mostly for the glass skin set for the other brands, usually mga magkano yun?
Premium brands, siguro mga 2,500.
Really? And then you'll get this for 350 pesos? Wow, what a great deal, no?
So recently, I just checked their page, their Facebook page, and they're looking for distributors or resellers. So if you're interested, just send them a private message, and then you can start or grow your own business with Tomato.
Wow. So, guys, again, if you're looking for a business for you to start, they are also looking for you as a partner. But if you're looking for the product na you can actually try, so as per Ezra, these are effective, and at the same time, comparing with the other premium beauty products with the same outcome, I think you're gonna have a value for your money. So very, very cheap and affordable. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. If you have any questions or inquiries with regards to the specific siguro ingredients or information about the products, kasi syempre may mga meticuloso pa rin tayong mga, di ba? They really wanna know kung ano yung mga ingredients sa mga products natin. So make sure to check out their official Facebook page, leave them a message if you wanna know more about their business and yung mga products na tinitinda nila. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. I hope you share this video, give it a thumbs up, and stay home, guys. Stay safe. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Thank you so much, Ezra.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Peace out.